I'm Meredith from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Premier Forever DLX Extend2Fit SnugLock 4-in-1 car seat featuring anti-rebound bar, rear facing using the vehicle seatbelt. To prepare your seat, store your tether strap. Store your tether strap on one of the storage bars on the back of the seat. Make sure your lower anchor strap is stored in the forward-facing belt path marked with the orange label. If using the anti-rebound bar, make sure it is securely attached at the front of the seat. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat. Adjust the car seat to one of the 4 rear-facing recline positions marked with the blue label, and make sure the seat clicks into place. If using the extension panel for extra legroom, move the panel to the desired position. Make sure it clicks into place. Now you're ready for the vehicle. Place your car seat rear-facing in the vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat lies flat on the vehicle seat, and make sure that at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Do so by checking the blue label at the back of the car seat. Make sure your vehicle is on level ground, and then check the level indicator to make sure it is in the blue zone. If it's not, adjust the recline. To easily access the belt path, remove the infant body support. Then lift the seat pad out of the way. Open the SnugLock lock-off by pulling on the gray button at the front of the seat. Take the vehicle seatbelt and route it through the rear-facing belt path marked with the blue label. Make sure the buckle is in the proper position for your child. If the buckle is in the outermost position, route the vehicle seatbelt behind it. If the buckle is in the innermost position, route the vehicle seatbelt in front of it. Route the vehicle seatbelt under the SnugLock lock-off and through the rear-facing belt path on the other side of the seat. Buckle the vehicle seatbelt in. Make sure that the seatbelt lies flat and is not twisted. Remove slack from the vehicle seatbelt by pressing down on the center of the seat and pulling on the shoulder belt. Pull on the vehicle shoulder belt and feed the extra slack back into the retractor. Once you've removed the slack from the vehicle seatbelt, close the SnugLock lock-off. Test for tightness at the rear-facing belt path. The seat should not be able to move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. If it does, open the SnugLock lock-off, remove more slack, then close the SnugLock lock-off again and test for tightness. Recheck the level indicator to make sure it is still in the blue zone. Reattach the seat pad at the front of the seat. Move the headrest to the proper position for your child. If using the infant supports, reattach the body support. If not, remove the infant head support if not needed. Now you're ready for baby. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just below the child's shoulders for rear-facing mode. Buckle the child in and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness. Move the chest clip to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.